What is content writing and how to start? In this 21st century where almost everything is getting digitalized, the traditional way of marketing has entirely converted itself into digital marketing. Therefore, one of the most organic and efficient ways of marketing is content writing. Why is it essential to focus on content? Content writing is one of the easiest ways to increase social media traction, and it helps in audience retention. Content writing helps to build a target audience and elevates brand image. How to start content writing? If you love writing articles, blogs, reports, or essays, this article will teach you how to convert your passion into a profession. All these forms of write-ups are known as content writing. How to develop content for content writing? There isn't a specific formula to write an ideal piece of content, but there are several tried and tested processes that you can follow while developing content. 1. Read as much as you can. The magic mantra to achieve efficient content is to read a lot. If you want to develop content that is on point and adequately informative, you will have to invest a great fraction of your time in reading. 2. Be on point. Don't beat around the bush while writing content. Be as precise as you can be. Don't drift your focus on unrelated topics. Stick to one agenda and follow it throughout the entire piece. 3. Add value to your content. Don't create any sort of content which is already existing in the virtual space. Add your sense of style to it. Be unique while writing a piece of content. You should experiment with your creativity while writing. 4. Keywords will unlock every door towards a perfect piece of content. Keywords can make or break the engagement of your content because it helps in SEO. You should invest your time in researching the right keywords. Most of your engagement depends upon the keywords you put up. Try to include as many as keywords you can, but don't overdo it. 5. Filter your content. When you are editing the content, constantly remind yourself to stick to the topic. If you see anything unrelated or irrelevant, edit your content at least thrice. The first round of editing should be meant to exclude the details that don't align with the topic. 6. Conclude your entire text. It is important to present a short and brief analysis of the entire content at the end. It helps readers to develop a better understanding of the content. How to become a content writer? 1. Choose a niche. Select a way in which you want to write. There are several ways of writing content such as ad copy, blog post, articles, website copy, guest post, newspaper copy, ebook, etc. Pick a form of content writing by exploring different types and understand what sort of content writing suits you the best. 2. Don't be afraid to use tools. Tools help us to enhance the content and help us to achieve the utmost level of perfection. 3. Build a portfolio. Once you have identified your niche, start writing blogs or articles in that domain. Use Blogger, WordPress, Wix, etc. to create free websites. 4. Develop a habit of writing daily. Content writers require the capability of writing constantly. Hence, develop a habit of writing regularly. Look for different content available in the virtual space in your niche and research their style. 5. Acquire technical skills. Every content writer has some acquired set of skills of writing content from the beginning, but a content writer needs to upgrade his/her technical skills.